Hey man, I was super surprised on how these joints move, but something I've been hiding from y'all, bro. Your boy actually hit on these joints for retail, which is super clutch. If you have not bought a pair yet, bro, if you ain't bought a pair yet, and like I've been saying in previous videos about this sneaker, this might be another Air Jordan 4 Black Cats, and you guys are gonna get. I'm gonna explain that to you guys what I mean when I say that in today's video. So let's go ahead and hop right into this unboxing, man. Yo, what is going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video. And if you guys have not been seeing the same effects as you used to see, it's because I had to literally start over my entire MacBook, bro. I'm talking about a $3,000 laptop, bro. I had to reset the entire thing. So a couple different effects and stuff like that I'm still adding on to there. So you might be seeing, you know, the basic for now. But you know your boy DeVintage is gonna get it right back in the swing of things. I might even have it up in today's video, but I just had to, you know, put that PSA out real quick. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you rocking out with your boy DeVintage already, off the vibes, you feel me, off the energy. You know, you see all the kicks behind me and stuff like that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you leave a huge like on today's video and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. A like button go a long way. I'm talking about a long way, bruh. So if y'all want to help your boy out, man, please leave a huge like, bro. Of course, my Instagram will be linked down below. Been dropping a bunch of reels and stuff like that over there. Haven't been doing a lot of outfit, you know what I'm saying, content, but you know, I gotta get the fits back right. You know, so we're about to step back into that fall time frame. That's when the best fits come out from your boy DeVintage. So y'all stick around, stay tuned, and follow me over on Instagram down below. And I've been saying it for the last month and a half, bro. I don't got a hat on right now. It's like, you know what, let me just wear the do-rag. I'm chilling around the crib. But for all your hat purposes, all your hat needs, I've been trying to let you guys know, bro, the best new go-to spots that's kind of, you know, under the radar right now is Crown Minded, bro. Crown Minded is the way to go. It's the only spot I go to get my hats and stuff like that, snapbacks, fitted caps, all types of dope collections. You guys can go check them out. I'm gonna link them down below, and make sure you guys let me know if you do check out some things over there. Let me know which ones you're rocking out with in the comment section. All right, no more throwing the box up in the air and catching it, you know, edit. We're just gonna go ahead and get right into it, bro. But like I said in the intro, I did an early unboxing, maybe, what, about a month ago now, and I had a GS pair. But when I seen them in hand, it kind of reminded me of how hyped that sneaker could potentially be. Might get kind of pushed under the radar for the time being, and just basing it off of some of the comments I seen on the early reviews that I did and the early reel that I dropped on Instagram, people like, yo, they trash, they don't want them, they gonna pass up on them and stuff like that. But it happens that these things actually flew out of a lot of different locations. I know some ones and twos probably be floating around, but I know in major cities and stuff like that, you probably not gonna see too many sizes of these joints sitting. And I said it's gonna remind me of the Black Cat 4. Some things was sitting all in my local mall. I'm talking about it was everywhere. Could have had like 5, 6 pairs if I wanted to. And crazy thing about the Black Cats, I went into Champ Sports. I said, you know what, I'm gonna snag them there. I was like, hold on, let me go to Foot Locker just because. I'm like, I don't know why I want to get them from Foot Locker, but I went down to Foot Locker and grabbed my size. And I could have got a pair from Champ, so I could have doubled up easily. But just remembering that, you know, kind of playing the back of my head, you just missed out on a couple, you know, hundreds of dollars, probably $500, because they're going for almost $800, $900 in most sizes. But you guys should know exactly which shoe we got since we've been talking about Air Jordan 4s, and that happens to be these guys right here. So again, I've been showing you guys a GS pair all of July. I even showed them on, I think I showed them on Saturday when they actually dropped. I'm not too sure. I've been kind of all over the place with the content and videos, but we do have these joints, and I did hit on the Nike sneakers app. You guys can see Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, Smoke Gray, and Iron Gray. I probably said it all wrong. The box is super dope, same as the GS pair, but let's go ahead and pull them out, bro. Let's go ahead and check these beauties out, man. I had to have a personal pair, and I was gonna pay, you know, early for my size and say, you know what, I think I might hit on the sneakers app, and you guys can see them, bro. Check them out, man. The Air Jordan 4 Wet Cement, guys. Look at the quality, bro. Hold on, man. I ain't gonna lie. Usually they throw crazy quality on, you know, women's exclusives and stuff like that. But that suede, man, the different hits, that Durabuck or whatever this is on the toe box, man, it is actually pretty nice. And again, that's not too much of a difference between the GS pair that I had and the men's size. The only thing I do see is kind of like the deeper, you know, strokes of suede on the side panels and on the upper of the ankle portion of these Air Jordan 4s, man. Super clean. Let me go ahead and pull out the other shoe right here, man. Check it out. Had to have them. You guys know I have not been buying every shoe like you guys see me do immaterially, you know, about 3-4 years ago. Now I'm just picking and choosing what I actually want, what I want to keep in the collection. I'll say it, like some shoes I showed in the video, I say I ain't gonna keep it, but I definitely had to show you guys early. But stuff like this, you know what I'm saying, where I had to go out my way and go on sneakers and grab these things, this is definitely one of them ones, bro. Definitely one of them ones. I said it in my early video, man. My early look, you guys could run a clip back. I said this potentially could turn out to be like, you know, one of them sneaky Black Cat 4 situations where now the Black Cat 4s are going for a crazy amount of money. And I definitely think that this all gray pair of shoes, which resemble the cause, which kind of, you know, monochromatic, all gray, you can't go wrong with it. You can't miss an outfit. I think that this could definitely be one of the ones that just rise out of nowhere on the resale value. I just don't know what it is, man, with people loving those, you know, like the all grays, the all blacks, the all whites, like the pure money force, all white joints. People love them. The Black Cat, people love them. And then you come and transition to the Air Jordan 4 all gray wet cement joints. And I'm telling you, bro, you never know how that resale can fluctuate. And the way things have been looking, bro, when it comes to colorways like this, they tend to rise. And that's just based off what I've been seeing over the last, what, 7-8 years when you buying shoes. And I mentioned it in the early look that I did, man, but this super dope hits details of the back tab. I think they try to make this look like, you know, of course, wet cement. That was kind of the whole theme of the shoe. And if you even look at the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4s that he's been dropping, on the box it has like his grandmother's sidewalk all around the box and stuff like that. So hopefully I can get that shoe here soon. Kind of had a couple different, you know, key traits in the same sense when you compare these to the Nigel Sylvester joints. But all in all, man, just one of the ones I had to go out and grab. Not gonna say I had to have them, but this is definitely one of the ones, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all. And I can't believe I got this far in today's video where I'll ask y'all, man, did you pick up a pair of the wet cements? Did you take an L? You had to pay resale? And where do you think that the Air Jordan 4 wet cement joints could go in the resale aspect, man? You guys let me know. Probably won't go too crazy anytime soon, but you know what I'm saying, you wait about another, you know, month or two, and then you look back at these joints and, you know, things going for like $300-400 out of nowhere. So we shall see what happens with the Air Jordan 4 wet cement, guys. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in, bruh. It's always greatly appreciated. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video, man. All always been said, your boy DeVintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.